This sriracha burger is incredible. The chicken parm is perfectly crispy.
Look at that bite. I'm conquering this beast.
You're gonna wear half of it.
Don't mind him, more pasta for us. This is delicious. This is incredible.
The spice hits you right away, but the flavor is just amazing.
You have to try this.
This is incredibly creamy, and the chicken is cooked perfectly. I love the garlic flavor. Oh my god, this is incredible. The best egg burger I've ever had.
Wow, this is amazing. It's the best I've had in a long time.
Absolutely delicious. The chutney is perfect. These tenders are amazing. Try the pizza bread, it's incredible. Pass the chili fries down here. This quesadilla is everything.
Seriously, best burrito I've ever had.
Get the cheese dip. These are incredible, so juicy. And the chutney packs a punch.
Check out this lava burst pizza. The
Cheese pull is crazy.
and the tandoori chicken is perfectly cooked. We're diving right in.
The red Thai crunch is unbelievable.
Yeah, the curry sauce and the veggies are a perfect match.
This is amazing. Look at the cheese.
Wow, definitely coming back for this.
Enjoy the wings, everyone.
Chef, these are the best wings in the city.
Seriously, incredible flavor.
Look at this spread. The butter chicken is with the naan. Look at this spread. The butter chicken is with the naan.